Are you considering selling your Shopify store? You're not alone. The e-commerce market is booming, reaching $4.8 trillion by 2025. Buyers are actively searching for profitable stores like yours. Selling your store allows you to cash out while demand is high. Whether you need time for a new venture or want a better work-life balance, this could be your moment. First, get your store ready. Organize financials and streamline operations. Highlight your unique selling points with verifiable data. Flippa makes selling easy. With over 400,000 active buyers and integrated payment solutions, you'll find serious offers fast. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Start your selling journey on Flippa today.